What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video we are going to be unboxing the Hollyland Lark M2. This is long awaited. I've had this for a while, haven't unboxed it. I got a bunch of other stuff that we're going to be unboxing, but I'm in the process of moving out right now. But I had to put out this video because I'm so sick and tired of using this Rode Video Mic Go and putting it backwards on my camera for all these reviews and unboxings. Here we are. We're going to do it, rip it off like a band-aid, and let's go ahead and open up the box. But before we do, if you are subscribed to this channel, you know what we do when we do these unboxings. We are going to take a look around the box. So this is the front of the box right here. Let's flip it over to the side of the box. And on the side of the box, it says made to inspire. That's what it says right there. Let's flip it to the back of the box. You have all the jargon that they give you on the other side of the box, telling you that it's button sized, 48 hertz, 24-bit, universal capability, advanced ENC, long battery life, 40-hour battery life, and then some other jargon on the back. You can pause the video if you would like. Moving over to the other side of the box, there's just two photos right there. And I get the version where you can connect it to your phone and you can connect it to a camera. Flipping it back to the front real quick, you got your two lavs right there. You have the case that charges your lavs, and then this is a hot shoe receiver. This is for if you're using still a, what would it be, an iPhone 13, iPhone 12, iPhone 14 even. You have that lightning capability right there, and then you have the USB Type-C adapter right here if you have any later versions of an iPhone or a Android phone. Let's flip it over to the bottom. You got some more jargon on the bottom, just some stuff that you probably won't even want to read, but I'm just going to show you anyways because that's what we do. And the top of the box as well. This is what the top of the box looks like, okay, with a little tab because it was probably on a hook to some degree. But yeah, let's go ahead and try to open up this box here. So we're going to need some tools, and you're going to need a knife or something to open up this package here. All right, let's figure this out here. So we're gonna take this little nail file and make sure the plastic we can get through and take all this stuff off. Here we go. There it goes. So all the stuff here, put it off to the side for now, and here's the box. So first time opening up this box. Sometimes I usually open up the box just to make sure everything's intact, but this one we're just doing it live, figuring out how to open it up. Very interesting way of packaging this thing. It looks like, okay, so it looks like it would shake out from this whole casing here. So there's a plastic tab on the back. We're just gonna peel that back, and there we go. Okay, that's interesting. Flip it open. You already kind of saw a little bit of that, but there you go. So now you got a pamphlet here, and then you have the mics right there. So before we get into all of that, we're gonna do some suspense here. Take a look at this pamphlet. There's a little tiny logo at the bottom of this pamphlet. Let's go ahead and open up this pamphlet here. Okay, so you get some stickers. That's kind of neat. You can put on the lav mics. Let's go ahead and shovel this out real quick. We are here for you. That's what it says right there on the back of the card. Let's get in touch. There's your stickers. If you want to cover the logo, I guess. On the back side, you got some more stickers. Those are kind of fun. And oh, it flips open too. Guess you get a couple of them. Oh, and then you get white and black stickers as well. So this is the array of stickers that you get. Do my best to kind of show you those white stickers. They kind of blend in. There they are. So let's put the stickers off to the side. I don't know if I'll ever use those, but they're kind of fun. And then you get the instruction manual. Oh yeah, how to clip this stuff on. I'll just kind of go through how to charge it and whatever else and what adapters are for what. It's pretty self-explanatory, but you know, for the people that really like to dive into the instructions, you can. There you go. There's the front. And let's go ahead and put that off to the side. Some other miscellaneous items that they give you as well. Some cautionary notices. Just what is in the package. There you go. And as per always, the main event. Let's go ahead and take a look. There we go. We have the case, the charging case. Guessing that the microphones are in there. You have the different adapters. This is the USB-C one right here. Try to focus this in here. So you get that guy. That's what that looks like. And you have another port right there if you need it. And then you have if you are still using the iPhone 13, 14, 12, anything earlier than now, same thing, you get a little spot there for a USB-C, and I believe the other one was USB-C as well. So then you get another USB-C on the USB-C adapter. Put that back, and here comes the main event. Here's what the box looks like inside beforehand. Nothing else inside of it. Okay, so I'm switching over to my phone because I just realized that there was another spot, and I already made the video, but we're gonna jump back in time, and there's a spot down here that I see, and I'm gonna pull this up, and there's a bag, hidden gem, a hidden compartment. Pull that out, and then you have little moisture pack. Make sure that you don't have any moisture going into your product. There is the rest of the package right there. So after I show you this, we'll jump back to the other part of the video, continue on. But that was a little secret compartment there. So let's put this off to the side real quick. Let's check it out inside of the bag. It looks like we have some sort of claw, maybe? Okay, so it looks like it's a little dead cat, and let's try to get this thing out. Here is the dead cat right here to go over the microphone if you need it. Put that off to the side. It also is in the bag. There is a 3.5 millimeter jack that you can use to connect this to your camera if you're using a camera, because you want the audio to be received into your video. So that you have that. Put that off to the side. Anything else in the bag? Go ahead and open that up. Okay, so we have these little clips. I guess you can use these clips as well for your mic. They're magnetic, as you can tell. USB-C to USB cable, and it has a nice Velcro strap on it, so you can wrap it up when you're not using it. So you have that. Anything else? Man, they give you a lot of stuff in this bag. So it looks like you get another dead cat. So these go over your neck, and then you can connect your lav. Instead of clipping it onto someone or having it magnetized to someone's shirt, you can easily take this on and off by magnetizing the microphone to this, and it's like a necklace. So you put it over the person talking, and then you can easily remove it. So that's really cool. So I would have to get this untangled, but I'm kind of short-handed right now because I'm holding my phone, because I didn't realize that there was all this extra equipment involved. Here you go. Okay, there you go. Boom. You got this one, and then you got this one over here. So you get a bag full of accessories that are really helpful. All right, let's jump back into the rest of the video. This is what we want, right? Let's take a look at the back, flip it around, look at the top, the bottom. So let's go ahead and unveil. Take that off, and here you go. You got your little Hollyland logo on the front. It says Hollyland in the corner. Let's go ahead and pop that open, and there you go. That is what you're dealing with here with the Hollyland mics. You have your receiver that goes on top of your DSLR or your mirrorless camera. Let's take that out. Let's take a look around. You have your power button close to my thumb right there, and then your probably decibel button, I'm not sure, and then you have a USB-C type port right there. Flip it around, you have a, looks like a 3.5 headphone jack port, and it looks like, oh, microphone 1, microphone 2. I will be using this probably a lot, just due to the fact that it's very important. And then you have a dial up on top. We're not sure what this does yet. It looks like just the volume. You can just turn up or down. And it looks like it's a clip, so it just clips onto your hot shoe area. Not sure. For the people that already have this, they probably know, but this is news to me, so I'm unfamiliar. But let's put that aside for a second. Let's go ahead and take one of the mics out just to take a look around. So it looks like you have the power button, and on the bottom you have the logo, the top you have the logo, and it's magnetic. So if you pull this back, there's your magnetic piece, and it just clips on. So that's really nice. This is the area where it tells you that it's on or off, the little plastic that we have to take off eventually. And there you go. It goes right back into the case like that. Same thing with this guy. Let's just take it out. Same deal. So I'm pretty excited to use these mics because I've been dealing with this incredible rig system that I've been dealing with. And that is, it really hasn't been working out too well for me because I have to stand at an awkward angle and talk to you guys. into the camera, but now I don't have to do that. Now I don't have to have this shotgun mic that I've been using for the past 3 years, 4 years. There you go. I might do another video on the mics and testing them out. Currently, right now, I know that the Mark IIIs are out, but I actually like this design better. It was great. I've seen reviews on this microphone set. There's nothing but just great praise for this microphone set. It's affordable, and honestly, I think it sounds better than some of the other brands that do the same style or a similar style. Decided to go with the Hollyland Mark II. Pretty excited to use them for my next video, and you guys, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Let me know. Try to answer those questions as best as I possibly can. I'm new to this whole lav game, so this is a whole new territory for me to explore. Not only then wireless lav mics as well. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. It's been real. Keep it real. You know what it is. Deuces. Shoo.